Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series 85mm speedometer gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, a black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. It's also available in a variety of different ranges for both gas and diesel engines. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see an 85mm speedometer gauge with a function button and a color change button on the front. An optional add-on GPS sensor is also available on our website and plugs directly into the back of the gauge. Also included in the packaging, a power harness with a signal wire, a fine-tune adjustment tool, a mounting bracket with hardware, and full color installation instructions. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions or if you need any additional installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.